Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to present today. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Kaila Fatiha Azahra as a pharmacy student from the Faculty of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy program at General Ahmad Yani University. Today, I will present about pharmacy culture in Saudi Arabia, focusing on how medicine are used, regulated, and the role of pharmacy in the healthcare system. I hope this presentation will be informative and interesting. Country overview. Country is Saudi Arabia, capital city is Riyadh, healthcare systems are government-funded, managed by Ministry of Health Saudi Arabia, free or subsidized for citizens, combination of public and private healthcare systems. Saudi Arabia is a high-income country with a well-developed healthcare system. The system is mainly funded by the government and managed by the Ministry of Health Saudi Arabia. Healthcare services are generally free or subsidized for citizens, and the system combines both public and private sectors. These strong systems allow better to access to healthcare and medicine. Patient behavior and attitudes. Medicines obtained from hospitals and pharmacies. They are high trust in doctors and pharmacists. Self-medication is less common. High adherence to prescription. In terms of patient behavior, people in Saudi Arabia usually obtain medicine from hospitals with a doctor's prescription or from pharmacies for over-the-counter medicines. One important point is that people have a level of trust in doctors and pharmacists. Because of this, self-medication is relatively low and patients tend to follow prescription carefully, which leads to better treatment outcomes. Medicine marketing and advertising. Medicines promote through media and online platforms. And then health awareness campaign. They are prescription drugs advertising is restricted, focus on safety and effectiveness, influenced by trust in healthcare professionals. Regarding medicine marketing, products are promoted through media and online platforms, including health awareness campaign. However, advertising of prescription medicine is strictly restricted. This reflect this reflect in the culture in Saudi Arabia where healthcare decisions are guided more by professionals rather than advertisement. Dosage form and packaging. Dosage form. The first is tablet and capsule. The second is syrups. The third is injections. The fourth is cream or ointment. And the fifth is inhalers. Packaging. The first is simple and clinical design. And the second is clear labeling. And the last reference, the first is easy to use, the second clear instruction, the third is trust brands. For dosage form, tablets and capsule are the most commonly used, especially among adults. Syrups are mainly used for children, while injections are typically used in hospitals. Inhalers are so common for respiratory conditions. In terms of packaging, medicines usually have a simple and clinical design with clear labeling in both Arabic and English. Patients prefer medicines that are easy to use with clear instruction and from trust brand. Regulation and safety. Regulated by Saudi Food and Drug Authority or SFDA, strict control on antibiotics and drug distribution, safety measures. The first is registration and approval process. The second is post-marketing surveillance. And the last is assurance of safety, quality, and effectiveness. An important aspect of the system is regulation. In Saudi Arabia, medicines are strictly controlled by the Saudi Food and Drug Authority or SFDA. They ensure that all medicine go through a proper registration and approval process, and they also conduct post-marketing surveillance. For example, antibiotics are no longer freely available without a prescription, which helps prevent antibiotic resistance. The role of pharmacies. The first is dispensing medicines. The second is patient counseling. The third is monitoring side effects. The fourth is providing OTC recommendation. The fifth is working in hospitals, pharmacies, and industry. And the last is active role in patient education. Pharmacies play a very important role in Saudi Arabia. They are responsible for dispensing medicines, providing patient counseling, monitoring side effects, and recommending over-the-counter drugs. Pharmacies are also actively involved in education patients, making them a key part of the healthcare system. Comparison with Indonesia. In Saudi Arabia is stricter drug regulation, higher trust in doctors, less self-medication, and the last pharmacy is more active in counseling. And which is Indonesia is regulations still developing, easier access to medicine, self-medication more common, pharmacy's role still improving. When we compare Saudi Arabia with Indonesia, we are see several differences. Saudi Arabia has stricter drug regulation, high trust in doctor, and lower self-medication. Pharmacies are also more active in patient counseling. In contrast, in Indonesia, self-medication is more common, access to medicine is easier, and the role of pharmacies is still developing. This shows how, culture and regulation influence medicine use in different countries. And then the conclusion. The first is Saudi Arabia has a well-developed healthcare system. Second is medicine use is controlled and monitored. The third is strong regulation ensures safety and quality. The fourth is pharmacies play a crucial role in patient care. The fifth is public trust supports effective treatment outcomes. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.